you've ever stumbled across joyfball.com and thought, this is heaven for a football fan, you're not alone. With over 4,000 products ranging from club jerseys, national team kits, and retro designs to even customizable options, the site seems like an absolute goldmine. But here's the thing, when something looks this good, it's important to take a step back and ask, is it too good to be true? In this video, we're diving deep into joyfball.com to see if it's really the dream destination it claims to be, or if there are hidden traps you should know about. We start by looking at what the site offers and how it's structured. It's sleek, well-organized, and definitely gives the impression of a legit business. But then comes the question of credibility. How long has Joyfball actually been around? A quick domain check shows it's relatively new, and that's where things start to get murky. We also examined their customer support system. And while they do provide email contact options, there's no live chat or phone support, and their social media presence is either minimal or inactive, something you wouldn't expect from a site dealing in thousands of products. The real deciding factor, though, lies in customer experiences. We dug into multiple reviews from real buyers, and the feedback is very mixed. Some users have shared positive stories of receiving their orders, though with longer than expected shipping times. Others weren't as lucky, reporting wrong items, poor fabric quality, and no response from customer service when trying to resolve issues. We also noticed inconsistent sizing and unclear return policies, which raises even more concerns. At the end of the day, we're not here to tell you it's a total scam, but we can't confidently call it 100% legit either. There are too many unanswered questions and potential red flags that suggest you should proceed with caution. If you're thinking of ordering from joyfball.com, this review will give you all the information you need to make a smart, informed decision, because while great deals are tempting, your money and peace of mind should always come first.